Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce new members to MDI, Medical Digital Intelligence. This is a platform, a legitimate paying platform, investing in medical products. I'm going to give you a brief introduction regarding this platform. Guys, if you're not interested, that's absolutely fine. Delete and give it a pass. No need to report my WhatsApp and block it, please. Yes, I'm going to give you a brief introduction of how MDI works. And if you're interested, you are more than welcome to register. Registration is absolutely free. When registering, you do get a 10 Rand bonus on your platform. Okay, I'm going to introduce you to the first investment option in medical products that's affordable. It's 100 Rand. Daily income is 10 Rand over 2 days. After 2 days, you can go ahead and claim 120 Rand and make that withdrawal to see whether the money reaches your account. The next one is going to be one of 1.3. Daily income is 42 Rand 90 over a period of 30 days. Please note that daily incomes are only Monday to Friday. It does not include Saturdays and Sundays. Daily incomes can be claimed daily and withdrawals can be made Monday to Friday at any time. There is a 5% withdrawal fee though. Secondly, okay, this is investing in medical products that's a little bit more expensive. So if you guys are not comfortable, then it's absolutely fine. That's why I'm suggesting going ahead with only 100 Rand. Over 2 days, it's 120 Rand. Make that withdrawal, see if the money reaches your account, and then take it from there if you are interested in investing in another product. No one's forcing anyone here. You can check this platform out on Facebook. You can go ahead and Google. If you do register, you can also click here on introduction. Also a lot of information regarding this platform. Yeah, you can go ahead. You can contact customer service and do join the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group has got over 1,000 members. Members are posting daily the orders in products that they are investing in, posting withdrawals, and yet again, so many new members that you can meet. That's investing in MDI. If you do have any questions, you are absolutely more than welcome to send me a WhatsApp and we can have a chat. Anything else you want to know, you're welcome to contact me. Like I've said, if you're not interested, it's absolutely fine. No one's forcing no one. Delete and give it a pass. If you are interested, let me know. Register, join the WhatsApp group, and let me know how you find the platform. Thank you very much.